Você pôs Peppa Pig, sabe? Peppa Pig? Você ganha. Tu vês?
Guaranteed cabin bags and smaller items under the seat in front of you. Bags that don't fit under your seat can be put in the lockers. Trolley bags should be put in wheels first and also packed behind safe. Be careful when using lockers in case anything falls out. If you are sitting in a front row or in an exit row, all items should be placed in the overhead locker for take-off and landing. Your seatbelt now can be fastened ready for departure. This is a no smoking service and we thank you for observing this policy.
Have any electronic equipment switched on at this moment, would you please ensure they are put in the flight safe mode now? That includes all equipment for calls and internet access. Thank you. After you come to the safety in charge of our cabin, we have Katrina and Annette. Well, just now we're doing up on this fleet slide next point of the service very easy to check. We've got way down Gatwick today. It's a very strong town on the way back, so flight time in the region of 1.5 hours. Because get to the TC now, Peter, expecting very nice pleasant flight conditions en route. As we do get underway, the captain will be showing you a very important safety demonstration, including your pleasure with attention. Get back to your seat after the bridging expected for Gatwick. In the meantime, they sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Onboard easyJet service to London's Gatwick Airport. Welcome to folks and welcome to easyJet car pass holders and all speedy boarders. If you would like to become easyJet car pass holder, please contact the cabin crew later on for details. Our flight time tonight will be approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes. My name is Raul, your cabin manager. On your flight today, also assisting us in the cabin, you have our colleagues Summer, Katrina and Annette. We aim to make your journey safe and comfortable, so if there's anything you would like to ask, please do not hesitate. And once again, if you have any electronic equipment switched on at this moment, would you please ensure they are put in the flight safe mode now. That includes all equipment for calls and internet access. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to ask for everyone's attention, even if you're a frequent flyer, because we take you through the safety features of our Airbus aircraft. In your seat pocket is a safety card indicating the exit routes, oxygen masks and life jackets. It also shows the brace position that you must adopt if you hear the instruction, brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 window exits in the centre of the cabin, and 2 doors at the front. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Please take time to locate your nearest exit, and note that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use an escape slide, leave all hand baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated in case of unexpected turbulence. If there's a failure in the air supply, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will drop from the panels above you. Remain seated and pull a mask towards you. This will start the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Use the elastic strap to hold it in place. To adjust, pull the elastic straps on each side like this. Remember to put your own mask on before helping others with theirs. A life jacket is stowed under your seat. In the event of a landing on water, and only when instructed to do so by the cabin crew, remove it and place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. To adjust, pull the strap like this. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the aircraft. When you are outside the aircraft, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If the life jacket fails to inflate, or
Kali.
smoking is not permitted at any time on board this aircraft. In just a few moments, we'll commence our easyJet shore service, offering the chance to purchase a range of delicious food options today, including our tasty bacon baguette, our chicken and coleslaw sandwich, or our ham and cheese meal. We also have a selection of teas, coffees and hot chocolates, together with savoury and sweet snacks in the bar. All options can be combined to make meals use while saving money at the same time, and full details can be found in the bistro brochure in your seat pocket. We accept payments in pounds, euro, most major currencies and debit or credit cards. The correct change will be greatly appreciated. If you have any more assistance, then please don't hesitate to stop us as we journey in the cabin shortly. If you have the cabin, please don't return to your seats and ensure that your seat backs are upright, your tray table is stowed, armrests are down, window blinds open and your seat belt securely fastened, with the buckles visible to the cabin crew for inspection. We'll be passing through the cabin shortly with our final rubbish collection, so please check in the seat pockets and in the surrounding floor areas for any rubbish or anything that you don't wish to take with you. If you're sitting in an emergency exit row or front row seat, all items without exception must be placed into the lockers for landing. Laptops must be safely stowed either underneath the seat or in the overhead lockers, and toilets are no longer in service.
duties, and therefore we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. All portable electronic devices for calls and internet access may now be used. I'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you have reached a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. I'd also to remind you of all your personal belongings. Please check inside the seat pockets in front of you, underneath the seat in front, and also inside your overhead lockers. Please do take care of open overhead lockers just in case anything falls out. On behalf of the captain and all of the crew, I'd like to wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. So thank you all for choosing to fly with us, easyJet. Thank you and have a very good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain speaking. Sorry, not quite on stand yet. Just waiting for the ground guidance system to be turned on. So for the time being, just remain seated with seatbelt fastened. Thank you.